tell. Yeah,
Hey guys, it's Wolfpack here, and right now Joseph is gonna eat a piece of dog food. See there?
special dog food.
1, 2, 3, go.
Special dog food for my dog. Just pop it in your mouth.
I would drink your drink if there is anything wrong.
No.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
Don't put it back.
No, I got another one.
Well, don't. You're going to throw it.
Oh my gosh.
Clean that
Dude, what the
It has no flavor. How does she eat that?
up. Clean up the mess.
Why did you spit it out? Ew.
Joseph, let me see the other one is.
Those.
Anyways, I have to go shopping too.
No, you don't.
Where you two?
You don't need.
Another one.
Okay, guys.
Four.
Thank you for liking this video. Subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated for Katie.
Yeah, give me this.
And there's a Christmas tree.
You're at Dollar Tree.
And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, guys.
Smelly one.